Okay, so it's Friday, November 12th, almost 5 o'clock p.m. on the East Coast of the United States. Wrapping up another week. Here it is, Friday. We made it through another week. And crypto's down for the most part. And I don't think there's too much panic, but I'm just here to tell you it's not as bad as you might think it is. So, Million Token went down to just about $23. And we're still at $23.72, I think. And we're basically down like 7.5% from this 21 moving average on the daily chart. And we were basically like that back here on October 19th. So a little less than a month ago. And then what happened after that? We went up, 162%. So, that's kind of my hopium chart, the best case scenario. But, we could go down and test these lower levels here, get support probably at $21.50 or even maybe like $19.34. Some people was asking me to look at the fib levels. Fib levels are showing, we can get that golden pocket again between 21.37 to 22 and 20 cents, somewhere around here. And the next fib below that is like $17.84. And Bitcoin, we had it run up to 69,000. We're at 64,000. The only thing that kind of concerns me a little bit is this reversal candle on the weekly. It's, you got this giant wick on top and the price came right back down. But if you look at this reversal candle here too, it was very similar. And then we just went up from there. And then let me put this on the Heikin-Ashi candles, I guess. And then, just all green. So if you look at, depending upon how you look at the charts, you could be persuaded one way or the other. But I mean, all systems are going as far as I'm concerned. Let's see. We have on the stochastic RSI, it's bullish. On the MACD, it's bullish. On the RSI, we're not in oversold, territory yet. So, on the weekly chart here for Bitcoin, we can come down and get support at these lower levels here, but we were just down there September 27th. So I think we saw some room to run. This is going to be a short video today. Altcoins. This is my altcoin chart. This is on the 4-hour chart. And, we had that dip here since November 7th, about a week ago. We found support on the what is this? I'm not, whatever this moving average is. It looks like it's holding support. We really rarely close below it on the 4-hour chart, which is, 4-hour chart's very low time frame and we're still holding strong. But if this happens to break down like a falling wedge, I'm thinking like this breakout would be where that white line is. So like we had a breakout from here to here, maybe we might get support down here. Or maybe we can find support on this green line if we extend it out. I'm still, bullish. But let's see how this looks in the daily chart. Again, this is the altcoin cycles. The daily chart, we broke back above the resistance line here. We found support in the green line, and now we're back up. So, could this be the time when we just go straight up? It's too early to tell, but it's looking pretty good. And if you look on the weekly, we're still above the green line here, and just to put things in perspective, if we're above the green line, it's good. We should launch pretty soon. But we could go sideways or dip down in a low. But, I'm still very, very bullish on crypto in general. Sometimes you have a shakeout before you have the next, pump. So, that's my thoughts on Million Token and the market in general. And, if you want these charts sooner, you can just follow me on lion1.io and Discord and look for the technical Tim here. Where is it? Right there. Right there. Where I already posted these charts hours ago. People ask me for stuff. And let's see now what's going on with Twitter. Will Clemente, he had posted this. Let me see if I can blow it up. Basically, you know, we're doing a reset. So last time we started going into this red here, look at the price action. It just went, you know, really high. So here we are again, you know, the long-term holders buy Bitcoin into weakness and sell into strength. So if this is going to be the case, you know, the price should rise. And let's see what else I could find on Twitter. Tech Dev, you know, he's saying that we could possibly go up to $233,000 if we have the same fib levels play out from previous cycles. So I'm not going to sell and miss out on that, and I'll holler it out. And if you want to follow me, I'm at Tim_MM_Hodler at Twitter. And I'll take a quick look at the chat real quick. See, I know it's gonna be a short stream today, because I just did like an hour stream yesterday. Yep. Any questions, guys, before I leave? So Reprobus says, bought the dip today, very happy with my purchase. I think we'll need to rest the 20s before pushing through resistance. Yeah, I think, you know, I'm waiting for the $20 thing, right? I posted you know, here's me waiting for $20 for a million token. You know, if we don't ever come down to the low levels of, you know, $20 or less, you know, I'm fine with that. I'm happy with my bags of million token. I'll just ride out with what I have. You've been in this space for a number of years. You're probably sitting on big bags of crypto and a good amount of money. And the amount of money I could dollar cost average with my income is pretty small compared to my portfolio. My portfolio goes up on a daily basis or down on a daily basis more than my income is in a whole year. So, you know, for me to dollar cost average my income into crypto, you know, I need you know, sick discounts, big discounts. You know, if it goes down to this really low level of fib of like $17.84, you know, I'll dollar cost average with what little income I have compared to my portfolio. But yeah, so I'm more or less just holding out right now, you know, hodler. And yeah, but yeah, I'm looking for big discounts. If million token goes down a whole lot compared to, like, let's say Bitcoin, then you know, that I'll also consider that, take that into account if it's more of a discount. But you know, if Bitcoin goes down like, you know, 5% and million token goes down 15%, that's normal. Will also always go down more than Bitcoin. But you know, if Bitcoin goes up and million token goes down, then I would consider that more of a buying opportunity for million token, for, you know, just personally. So, you know, I'm still in this for, you know, life-changing wealth. Okay, I think this will be a quick stream. I just wanted to get something out with today because I think there's just like a shakeout going on right now, and hopefully it won't last too long. We'll see what this weekend does. Weekends could be kind of tricky because the money from Wall Street's not in there with the markets closed on the weekend. So we'll see if we go down lower levels. You know, what would happen with Bitcoin? You know, where could we retest? You know, we could go back down to these high levels of you know, 61,500 maybe, or lower. Who knows? But long term, you know, I'm thinking long term like this. That's what I'm thinking. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll talk to you.